Hey, good afternoon, folks. I'm Senior Meteorologist Bill Alexander. This is the look at the satellite radar loop, and you can see basically fair skies across the Gulf of Mexico. But the elephant in the living room, or rather in the Northwest Caribbean, is our hurricane Beryl, and it's working its way to the west-northwest at 18 miles an hour. It's still somewhat disorganized and just barely hanging on because of wind shear, and does not look like it's going to re-intensify anytime soon. So let's take a look at what's going on across the rest of the state, generally in the 90s and low triple digits. Amarillo sitting at 86, and Marfa's got a light thunderstorm in the area and 79 degrees. Now, across our area, well, you're looking at 89 at Port A, all the way up into the upper 90s out west, and we're looking at humidity that's going to continue at a high level right on through much of next week. Now, you do have a little dip right there. It is very brief. But other than that, mid-70s to around 80-degree dew point, so quite humid. And overnight tonight, the breezes early in the evening, dropping off after midnight. Overnight lows 75 to 85. That haze, well, guess what? That's from 4th of July fireworks. We're going to have that haze settling in over us after the fireworks are over, and it'll take a couple hours for that to disperse. Tomorrow, another scorcher out there, mid-90s over most of the area, about 90 degrees along the immediate coastline. There will be some very isolated showers, but I wouldn't plan on that as anything to get in the way of your outdoor activities tomorrow. Here's your wind forecast. You can see the fairly light winds overnight and picking up again out of the southeast as you move on through the day Saturday. And then by Sunday, things begin to change, and that east to east northeasterly wind really starts cranking up. And we'll be talking about that in just a little bit. But tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, breezy in the afternoon in the coastal waters. Still looking at a heat index around 106, though, so make sure to stay hydrated out there. Water temperature pushing the 90-degree mark with a southeast wind at 10 to 20 knots in the afternoon, making for slightly choppy to occasionally choppy bays, 2 to 3 foot seas, and the rip current risk listed as moderate for tomorrow. It's going to be higher as you go into the first of next week. Now, this is future track over the next couple of days, and you'll see those little bands of showers mainly off to our north on Saturday and Saturday evening. And then you can see our storm starting to work its way from the Yucatan across the Gulf of Mexico and approaching us at least the Brownsville area during the afternoon on Saturday, and that's what we're going to be watching. This is the careful thing that we have to pay attention to. This upper level disturbance moving across at the center of the nation will start to curve the storm further to the north. Now, as it does so, it's looking like a landfall just south of Brownsville, but that's only the beginning of this situation. You've got a lot of moisture associated not only with the hurricane, but also the disturbance that comes in behind it will continue to feed moisture into our area right on through the middle of the week. And that disturbance is right here. That's the second system. That's that yellow marker you see there. And you can see first, here's Beryl moving its way across the area. There's its landfall at about a Category 1 just south of Brownsville. And so that's the first element of precipitation. And here's the wind radii we're anticipating from that. And moving in here, tropical storm force wind just barely making it into our area on Monday. But as far as rainfall, that is a different story. We're looking in a lot of rain, 6, 7, even 8 inches of rain right on through early Thursday. Now, a little bit of that Saharan dust may impede that slightly, but not a whole lot. This is what you're looking at your 7-day forecast. Some showers on Saturday, and then we're really watching Hurricane Beryl Sunday through Wednesday.